Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Rich Journals. I'm genuinely thrilled to have you here as I embark on this exciting and ambitious mission to become rich within the next 5 years. This journey is more than just a quest for financial success. It's deeply personal and driven by my desire to create a life of happiness and financial stability for my family, especially my mom. This channel is dedicated to documenting every aspect of this journey, from the initial steps and strategies I implement to the challenges I encounter and the lessons I learn along the way. At 18 years old, I've set a clear and challenging goal to achieve substantial wealth by the time I turn 23. I know this is no small feat, but I'm fully committed to working hard, making informed decisions, and staying persistent. I'm excited to have you all alongside me as I navigate this path toward turning my dreams into reality. Over the past few days, I've been deeply engrossed in discovering various ways to generate income, starting from scratch with $0 in my account. This process has involved a lot of research and learning, diving into the intricate details of different business models. One area I've focused on is understanding how Instagram and YouTube theme channels operate and generate revenue. Through extensive research, I've gained valuable insights into the mechanics behind these platforms and how successful content creators monetize their efforts. With this knowledge in hand, I've taken a significant step by launching a themed Instagram and YouTube page dedicated to motivational content. I'm transforming inspirational quotes into engaging and visually appealing reels, and I've named this new venture Motive Man. As a result of my efforts, my YouTube channel has begun to attract a decent number of views, which is encouraging and motivates me to keep going. However, the response on Instagram has been less favorable than I had hoped. Despite the lower engagement on Instagram, I'm maintaining a positive outlook and staying motivated. I understand that growing a social media presence takes time, consistency, and ongoing effort. I'm committed to posting reels 3 to 4 times a week, continuously refining my content and actively engaging with my audience. This is a learning process, and I'm dedicated to improving my approach based on the feedback and insights I gather. During the first week of this new venture, I've closely monitored the responses and performance from both platforms. Given my background in graphic design, I see an opportunity to leverage this skill to further enhance my efforts. I decide to start a new page specifically focused on showcasing before and after transformations of YouTube video thumbnails. This page is designed to highlight how effective thumbnail design can significantly impact viewer engagement and click-through rates. By sharing these transformations, I aim to demonstrate the value of good design and attract more attention from both Instagram and YouTube users. I'm hopeful that this new approach will resonate with viewers and lead to better engagement. Alongside this, I'm utilizing my website development skills to create a professional portfolio for my graphic design services. I know that having a dedicated website is much more effective in attracting potential clients than simply sharing a Google Drive link. A well-crafted portfolio will serve as a powerful tool to showcase my skills and capabilities, making it easier for potential clients to see the value I can offer. Although I've only managed to complete the homepage of my portfolio due to time constraints, I am committed to finishing the entire site within the next 5 days. I believe that a polished and professional portfolio will significantly enhance my ability to market my services and attract new clients. In addition to these activities, I've produced an in-depth 8-minute video on building discipline, which I've uploaded to my other YouTube channel, Motive Man. This video provides viewers with practical tips and personal insights on developing strong habits and maintaining focus. I believe that sharing my experiences and strategies for building discipline will offer valuable content that can help others in their own journeys toward personal growth and success. It's important to me to provide content that not only reflects my journey but also offers practical advice that others can apply to their lives. My primary mission is to effectively monetize all my Instagram and YouTube pages. I aim to achieve this through a combination of paid promotions and YouTube AdSense revenue. This effort marks the initial step in my broader journey toward becoming rich. By building a solid online presence and consistently producing high-quality content, I hope to create multiple streams of income that will contribute to reaching my financial goals. This is a long-term endeavor, and I'm prepared to invest the time, effort, and resources needed to see it through. The road ahead may be challenging, but I am determined to persevere and achieve success. In addition to my social media efforts, I've also participated in several cryptocurrency airdrops. These airdrops involve completing various tasks to earn extra money, which provides me with an additional source of income. This involvement helps diversify my financial strategy and opens up new opportunities for growth. By engaging in these airdrops, I'm exploring different aspects of the cryptocurrency world and potentially discovering new avenues for generating income. It's an exciting and dynamic field, and I'm eager to see where it takes me. Leveraging my knowledge of cryptocurrency trading and investing, which I've accumulated over the past 3 years, I allocate 75% of the money I earn from these airdrops and other sources for long-term investments. The remaining 25% is used for active trading. This approach allows me to grow my wealth gradually over time and move closer to achieving my financial goals. By combining disciplined investing with strategic trading, I aim to maximize my returns and make steady progress on my journey to financial success. This balanced strategy helps me manage risk while taking advantage of opportunities in the market, ensuring that I'm making informed decisions. My ultimate goal is to accumulate $5 million within the next 5 years. At this early stage, I'm starting from 0% progress out of 100. This means I have a long road ahead, but I am fully committed to making significant strides toward this ambitious target. With ongoing effort, strategic planning, and a focus on continuous improvement, I anticipate seeing an increase in this percentage in the coming weeks. Every step I take, no matter how small, brings me closer to achieving this goal. I am determined to stay focused and persistent as I work towards financial success, and I appreciate your support along the way. I hope you've been able to see the results and the effort I've put in this week. The reality is that we are still at 0% progress towards our goal, though we've made a small improvement. There's no need to worry. I understand that this is a long-term process, and significant progress takes time. I'm dedicated to learning, growing, and adapting as I continue on this journey. Your support and encouragement mean the world to me, and I'm grateful to have you with me on this path. That's all for today's video. I'll be back next week with an update on our progress and more insights into the steps I'm taking. Until then, take care, stay motivated, and make sure to tune in for the next episode. Your feedback and support are invaluable as I work towards turning this dream into reality. See you in the next one.